So dear kids, yesterday we solved the exercise for the poem called Bird Talk. Yesterday we read this poem. So most of you have improved your reading, right? So I'm very happy for that. Then we also solved the exercise, which is on page number 12. The first one was name two birds in the poem. The two birds in the poem were which one? Robin and Jay. And then the second question was what are the three things that people can't do? वो कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो लोग नहीं कर सकते बर्ड्स के जैसे? People can't grow feathers, they can't eat beetles, and then they cannot grow feathers, wings, and they cannot sit on wires. And what else? Next question is what do birds think of people? Birds think that people are funny. Birds को क्या लगता है? People are funny. Birds को क्या लगता है? People are funny. Then next was imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about you. So this also we solved, and most of you gave me very interesting answers. So when elephants talk to each other, what do they say? What do they say? Look how small they are, and look how little they eat. Look how they walk on their two legs only, right? And then now look at that man's nose. Sorry. Let's find two things which you can do and birds cannot do. Tell the class. Write any two things which you can do जो आप कर सकते हो और birds नहीं कर सकते. They can't study, right? They can't study, you can study. They cannot eat food with their hands. And what else? See here. I can study, birds can't. I can study, birds can't. You can study but birds can't, right? I can eat with hands, birds can't. आप अपने हाथ से खाना खा सकते हैं, birds खा सकते हैं? नहीं, वो अपने चोंच से खाते हैं. And then this activity also I have told you yesterday. I will send you a video of it separately. And then this was also the exercise that we solved. हमें birds के आवाज़ों की sound लिखनी है, जैसे कि chirp chirp chirp, coo coo, quack quack, cheep cheep. This also we learnt yesterday. And then this was remaining. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words: nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. The birds fly high in the sky. The birds fly high in the sky. Here we have used the words sky and fly, which means the birds fly high in the sky. Birds क्या करते हैं? Sky में, आकाश में बहुत ऊपर उड़ते हैं. The birds chirp when they fly. जब पंछी उड़ते हैं, जब वो फ्लाई करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? आवाज़ निकालते हैं, chirp करते हैं. The birds have wings to fly. Birds को क्या है? Wings हैं to fly, उड़ने के लिए. The birds came back to their nest after drinking water. They came back. कहाँ पे वापस आए? To their nest. उनके nest पे वापस आए after drinking water. So this was about our exercise on page number 13. And next thing we solved is rhyming words. Day, bay, ray. Think, pink, link. Funny, sunny, bunny. Eat, need, seat. Sing, cling. Sorry, this is clinch and this is thing. Sing, clinch, thing. And then we read these words also. Think, thing, three, this, that, though, 10, top, tank. See here the pronunciation think, thin, three, Here pronunciation starts with This, that, though. This, that, though. Pronunciation starts with the. 10, top, tank. 10, top, tank. Pronunciation starts with ठीक है? So this we have learnt in yesterday's class. And I was very happy yesterday because most of you tried reading this poem and you have improved a lot. So we will finish this poem here in this poem. I will revise it once again. Revision is not a bad thing, no? हमें जब जब टाइम मिलता है हमें रिविजन कर लेना चाहिए. So I will revise once again. This was about bird talk. There are two birds, Robin and Jay. They are talking about people. They are looking at the people and they are telling, look at the people, how funny they are. This poem is written by Alan Fisher. Alan Fisher has written many poems. You can find it from class 1 to class 6, 7, etc. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and think. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So in this poem, Robin and Jay were discussing how people are funny because they don't grow wings, they don't grow feathers, and they don't eat beetles, they don't have wings. Sorry, they don't like sitting on wires, they don't sit on wires and buildings, right? So that is why there are many things which birds can do and people can't do. हम लोगों को, हम इंसानों को लगता है कि हम ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ हैं. हम इंसानों को लगता है, वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स थिंक दैट वी आर सुप्रीम ऑफ ऑल. हमें लगता है कि हम दुनिया के सबसे ज़्यादा होशियार प्राणी हैं. बट ऐसा नहीं है. हर जानवर में कुछ न कुछ एक कला रहती है, उनमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें रहती हैं जो इंसान को भी नहीं आती है. सो हियर दीज बर्ड्स आर लुकिंग एट पीपल एंड दे आर फाइंडिंग देम फनी बिकॉज कैन वी ह्यूमन ग्रो विंग्स. क्या हम उड़ सकते हैं? क्या जब भी हमारा मन करे वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं? नो, राइट. एक तो हमें चल के जाना पड़ता है, भाग के जाना पड़ता है, या फिर किसी ट्रांसपोर्ट का सहारा लेना पड़ता है. बट लुक एट दीज बर्ड्स, दे हैव विंग्स, दे कैन फ्लाई एनीवेयर दे वांट. उनके पास विंग्स है, वो उड़ के कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं, आसमान की ऊंचाई को छू सकते हैं, राइट. सो वी शुड नॉट think ourselves as a supreme thing, right? So this is about our poem. So I hope you have understood it. So we will move to the next lesson in our next class. ठीक है? So see you in the next class. Till then, take care and study well.